Welcome back, everyone. So on today's video, we're going to be installing the radiator fans, the switch for it, and the whole front end on this thing, because as you can see, she needs the body put back together. So there's a couple of things we just need to adjust as far as for like the turbo exhaust coming out of the fender, but let's show you here. But other than that, so like here's the exhaust and it comes out of the fender, but for some reason when we put the exhaust to the headers, I know it has an exhaust leak on the driver's side. For some reason, it's not lining up. So we're gonna have to redo that real quick, readjust that, put that back together, run the electric fan wires, and start cleaning this thing up. I mean, she is disgusting. She's been sitting again for months. So gonna have to clean all up in here, and especially all back here, get all this junk and crap out of here. But yeah, take the door panels off. I'm gonna gut some of these doors out even some more. So come up like this, like that. Okay. What about this side?
Oh, this side we need to put the light first. Because I want to make sure, because I can do the same thing from right here to here, but I want to make sure the light's fixed first. What the light?
Right there. Oh no, you gotta lift it. You gotta lift it too high. Oh, it's looking. You can see the turbo. That looks weird.
What? You know, got fucking support.
Okay.
So after that, we want to put something right here.
But how's the light go, like that right there?
You don't want to try to cut in the nighttime, man. Whatever the light.
I might go to 204 and see if I find anybody coming back from the car meet.
Okay, whatever you want to bring is that. Remember, you don't got support inside. Got you, man.
Oh, that worked. Let's see where I'm gonna.
Ahí, mira, ahí está perfecto. Todo esto lo que tiene que subir pompe, ahí está perfecta la luz.
So right there.
Ahí.
All right, so. Yeah. Right there. Right there. Ahí. Right there.
Ahí está. Ahora vamos a hacer la parte aquí.
top of the line bending tools right here. Check this out. I gotta give it a little bend. Boom. Look at that. Boy, that's a badass. Hey, you badass. You know that? Fucking mechanic. Look at that. Perfect.
Put it right
Mechanic
here.
right here, boy. All right.
Aquí lang. Córtalo.
Gonna weld that bitch on there now. Thinking. Okay.
Perfecto.
You wanna do what?
Así.
From here to here?
Ya. Yo no veo twister, dale, márcalo.
Okay.
Córtalo en ángulo, en ángulo. No, 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 no. No lo vas a cortar así. Ok, ya sé.
Back to the bend press. Let's see what.
Píchala ya.
You bad motherfucker. You bad motherfucker. All right, so far this is what we did right here. Just drilled the hole there, welded it right there. Did the same thing with this little bracket right here that we made. And you know, this is a little ghetto backyard build, but it's all right. Eventually we'll just upgrade all of that. Got a nice little twist looking thing right here, my dad did. So it's the front end coming together. Looks like that, but I mean, hey, for being done in the front yard, you can't really ask for more than that. So hopefully we'll wash her in a little bit. Did a little powder coating. I'm just kidding, it's just flat black. Make it look a little less rusty. Still gotta do all those. Those might actually have to wait because once this front end comes on, it's probably gonna stay on for a while. All right, we got the whole front put on there, lights work, batteries dead on it. We got these spray painted in flat black. Now we're trying to figure out the fan situation because this is a on switch. So is it just power and then power ground, or is it just power and power? And then we just run this one straight to the ground. That's what we're trying to figure out now. And we're installing this, it's like a universal radiator fan mounting kit. It's just plastic. It's got these little things that you just, you know, just kind of pull it through, and got these for safety from the radiator. And that's how we're going to mount this electric fan. This one right here. We're just going to run a ground, and then we're going to run this one to the power, just running it straight for now, just so I can move it, drive it around, maybe do a burnout or two. Yes. You like, you want to put it about right there?
Pusiste esto ya.
Porque supone que eso va ahí.
Sí, pero yo quería graduar.
Pero no. Need the 8.
What a fucking shot.
I know this ain't the right way to do it, but for right now, until I get all of my switches and everything how I need them or want them, that's the way we're just gonna run it.
Ya cabrón, mira.
Where the fuck was that at? No way. Where'd you find that at?
I fucking here.
You must have just put it in there or something.
Looking for that shit for.
Looking for the whole time.
Perfect.
That's why we do a lot of running around looking for tools. Here she's running. It's going good. Let's go test drive.